Guys, I hope you are fine. Guys, we solve this question and I read it. Given the parametric equations x equals to 2t all over 1 over 1 minus t squared and y equals to t all over t squared plus 1, show that dy over dx is equals to that. And so guys, I do this question and this is what I have. Before I do it, I have the equation that we are going to use, which we call quotient rule. Because as you can see that we have two different numbers that are divided by each other. And so therefore guys, we use the quotient rule where we have division. So guys, I start with this one. I will start with dx, that is dx dt, like that. This is given by, first we look for v. V we have, so we can write v as it is, 1 minus t squared, like that. And then du dx. Du dx, this is the differentiation of that. We're going to have 2, like that. Remember that in our case, we have, this one is going to be, this is t, here we have t, guys. For us, we have t, and here we have t. So guys, we should remember that. So we work with t. So that is the first. Then minus u is 2t. Then dv dt. dv dt, that one gives us minus 2t. Like that. All over v squared. 1 minus t squared. And again it is squared. So therefore we are going to have, as we continue, dx dt is equal to, can multiply there, 2 minus 2t squared plus, this is because of this minus and that minus, this gives us 4t squared, like that, all over 1 minus t squared, and this is squared. So with that guys, we get, this will give us 2 plus 2t squared all over 1 minus t squared squared. So this one gives us dx dt will give us now 2. Then we are left with 1 plus t squared all over 1 minus t squared squared, like that. So guys, now we go for the dy dt. This gives us, for dy dt we have this. So we start with the v. V is t squared plus 1. Then we go to du. For the du, we'll have 1. U is 1 minus, now we have u, which is t, and the dv is 2t. dv of that is 2t. Now divided by v squared. V squared is t squared plus 1. So from there we go and come and evaluate that. This is going to be t squared plus 1 minus 2t squared all over t squared plus 1. This gives us 1 minus t squared, because t squared minus 2t squared is equals to 1 minus t squared all over t squared plus 1 squared. This is now squared because it's v squared. Now guys, we are supposed to divide because we want to find dy dx. So dy dx all over dx is given by dy dt, which is this, and then we have dt all over dx, like that. Guys, we only, for the dy dt, we have here 1 minus t squared all over t squared plus 1 squared. For dt dx, we have this, the reciprocal of this, guys, the reciprocal. So that is 1 minus t squared, 1 minus t squared squared all over. This one now is going to be equal to, we have 2, 1 plus t squared, which this one would have been, there have been 2 there, and I have factored out 2 in this, so we are actually using this 2, 1 minus t squared squared. So guys, our solution then is going to be 1 minus t squared now raised to 3, because these are the same. This is raised to 1, this is raised to 2, then total, or the result is 1 minus t squared raised to 3. And the third one you have 2, and then t squared. This, guys, I made a mistake. This is supposed to be 1 plus t squared. So this is 1 plus t squared. So this one will be t squared plus 1 raised also to 3, like that. So guys, this is our solution. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.